To clone apps on Pixel 10, there's no usual method where you'll be able to clone apps, but there's one method that will allow you to use the same apps you have installed in the private space, which will have different instances for them. And you can do it simply by opening your settings, then go to security and privacy, scroll all the way down and click on private space. Here, if you do it for the first time, you'll be met with the setup. If you need help during that setup, let me down in the comments. I will send you a video link that I've made to create a private space. Now, when we have our private space created, we can open our apps drawer to access it. Then private space is located down here, and then as you can see, there's apps right here. There's a Chrome, and I also have a Chrome right there. So this Chrome is a different Chrome than this one. I'll be able to log into different account and use different settings for that Chrome and different settings for that Chrome. So that's one way that you can clone apps on your Pixel 10. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.